Your Natural Scoliosis Treatment Journal. Maybe you just found out that you had scoliosis, or maybe you have been having it for quite a while. From your perspective, an issue with the structure of your spine may seem like a scary and complex ordeal, something that will take a long time to correct. But what if it took only 12 weeks? Dr. Lau's book, Your Natural Scoliosis Treatment Journal, will help you through just that. This book will act as your companion through each step of your 12-week journey into greatly improving scoliosis. Packed with information and the latest research, you can trust this book to comprehensively polish your knowledge on scoliosis and exactly what you have to do to get rid of it. Acting as a supplement to the bestseller, Your Plan for Natural Scoliosis Prevention and Treatment. This book can help you identify the type of scoliosis you have, help you create a unique dietary pattern, and use the suggested exercises to get yourself better in no time. The book will also help you stay motivated and focused on your goal as you go through the different stages of improvement, in addition to providing questionnaires that help you specialize your therapy. With very little equipment and enough motivation, all you have to do is relax and watch your back get stronger day by day. It's that simple. 12 weeks and a bit of motivation is all it takes to get your spine back on track. You can purchase this book both as an ebook or paperback today on most online retailers like Amazon. Just use the links below and say goodbye to your scoliosis.